Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you 3 amazing tips that will help you grow your nails faster in just 3 days. Trust me, you're going to love these simple hacks. First up, try using a vitamin supplement for your nails. This will not only help strengthen them but also aid in their growth. Just remember to check with your doctor before starting any new supplements. Next, make sure to apply cuticle oil nightly. This will not only keep your cuticles in tip-top shape but also promote healthier nail growth. You can even use a good quality nail polish and brush for extra nourishment and strength. Lastly, make sure to eat foods high in keratin and silica. These 2 nutrients are essential for healthy nails and hair, and they'll help support the growth of your nails. Some fantastic food sources include onions, garlic, leeks, strawberries, asparagus, and mangoes. So go ahead and start adding these delicious foods to your diet today. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you grow your nails faster and stronger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.